बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं ज़ुबैर ख़ान हूँ और आप मेरा वीलॉग देख रहे हैं।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। ये आज 31 अगस्त है। तो ये मैं नए बहशती मकबरा नसीराबाद में खड़ा हूँ। वो बात प्रोपेगेंडा कर रहे थे वीडियो चढ़ा के कि बहशती मकबरा पानी में डूब गया। तो अब आपकी इतला के लिए कि ऐसा कोई मसला नहीं है, ना कोई इस तरह का हुआ है वाक़या। ये देखें, बिल्कुल अपने नामो निशान तक नहीं है पानी का। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। अब आप इस तरह की किसी भी वीडियो पे जो है वो ध्यान न दिया करें।
Forces have massed 72 combat aircraft, majority loaded with cruise missiles. They intend to saturate our air defenses by sheer numbers. Stand ready to engage. When weapons launch confirmed, rules of engagement shift from deterrent to assured kill. Minimize own losses. Acknowledge.
Cobra 11, Shield 01 calling, bearing 105.
Range 180 kilometers. 4 contacts suspected Rafales. Immediate verification required.
Cobra 11 copies. ECM pod analyzing target EM signatures. Target radar signatures and data link comms intercepted. Confirmed as 101 Squadron Rafales. Commencing jamming operations.
Godzilla 3 to Godzilla 4. Radar clean. Your status? Damn it. They've jammed us radar scope completely snowed. Godzilla 1. Releasing cruise missiles to the plan.
Copy.
Mission done. Breaking off.
Commander, targets have begun releasing cruise missiles.
Cue them on! Cue them on! Don't let them cross into Pakistani airspace!
Cobra 01 copies. Target locked. Fox 3. Shield 01. PL 50 launched. Made PL 50 light up their cockpits.
Cobra 01, break off now. We'll guide the missiles.
Copy. Breaking off now.
Commander, Indian aircraft retreating towards 400 coverage.
Which targets?
All bandits.
Time to smash their overrated protective umbrella. Black Spider 01. Status report.
Shield 01. Black Spider 01 calling. Entering attack run now. ETA 10 seconds. Target. Sector 6. 400 battery.
Confirmed. Weapons free.
Missiles away.
Commander, PL 15 number 1 SECA active. 2 targets acquired. 1 MiG-29, 1 Rafale.
Priority target Rafale.
Roger. PL 15 retasked to Rafale.
Godzilla 5 to Godzilla 4. Can you hear me? What the fuck? Where did that missile come from? No audible warning!
Bad feeling. You're still quiet.